Hi everyone, welcome to Art by Yuffie Hani. My name is Yuffie, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to color your traditional sketches digitally. Okay, so this is a drawing that I did on my sketchbook that I drew with pencil and lined with a fine liner. So I took a photo of it and then I sent it to myself via email and I opened it on Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is adjust the photo so that it's brighter and that the whites are showing more. So click on Image, Auto Tone, Auto Contrast, and Auto Color, and that will help to automatically adjust the photo. And then you're gonna tweak the brightness and the contrast of the photo. So I upped the brightness and the contrast so that the whites are a lot more white, and that will make it easier to color. So now I'm just pasting a photo of Black Widow on the side as color reference, and then this is how you color. This is the important part. You're going to create a new layer. I'm going to name it Black Widow, and then set the blending options. Oh, was it blending options? Set the layer options to multiply, and this will enable you to color on top of your drawing. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's that easy. So I'm just going to leave you with the time lapse. Watch until the end to see the finished product. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below who your favorite Avenger is. Mine is obviously Black Widow, but also Iron Man and Captain America. So that's it from me today. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!